What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Klarity palette. This is their Melanin Chronicles palette. It released on Black Friday. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. So they released this palette on Black Friday, and yeah, I got mine in the mail, and I'm gonna do a look for you guys. So I already have my brows fully filled in, and I have my eyes primed already using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base. This is the medium color. So let's just jump right into this look. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go into this color called Naturalista, which is like this pretty like camel brown in the palette, and then I'm gonna jump into this shade afterward. Put this in the crease. Ooh, I love colors like this, like shades that are nice tan, brown, camel-y looking, like it looks like my skin tone. Like when I'm being lazy and I don't feel like doing like my eyeshadow, I just like to take a color like this and just put it in the crease. So pretty. Ooh, this is so pretty. Ooh, this is so cute. Like I haven't really put on any shades, but I really like this brown color. Ooh. Okay. I think I'm content with the way that looks for right now. So I'm gonna jump into this pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into that like wine shade. That wine shade is called It's the Melanin. Ooh. And I'm gonna put this like all over. Oh y'all, this is a pretty color. So what has been going on? I feel like there's a lot going on. And I'm talking about like pop culture. Y'all, okay, I want to talk about this. So the baby, the rapper, right? The baby. I feel like I've never seen somebody try so hard to ruin their reputation, and that is what he's very much so giving me. Like he has just had a lot of controversy this year, and the most recent stunt was what he did to his yellow bone, is what he don't want apparently. Now after DaniLeigh did all that nonsense with that song, I was completely just turned off by her, but you know, I still have a little bit of compassion, okay? And just seeing how he did her on Instagram, child, couldn't be me. But it really just makes me like think like a lot of women put up with a lot of disrespect, and I don't get it. Like, and it's not like she don't got money herself. Well, I mean, I really don't know. I mean, I would assume she has something, you know, but it just makes me wonder like why us women, why we put up with disrespectful men. Like what like why? Like, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out, like blend the edges of this out. But yeah, like back to what I was saying, I see a lot of like women just putting up with disrespectful men, you know? And I feel like we've all been in a situation where we knew we could do better. We knew like this is not right, but for whatever reason, we just stayed. We just was hoping and wishing it would get better. And I think that's really what DaniLeigh thought, but I don't know why she thought that, because I mean, look at the history, look at people's patterns, you know? I feel like a lot of times people want to be that girl that's going to change him. Keep hoping and thinking, okay? You can't change nobody who does not want to be changed. And especially someone who doesn't see anything wrong with what they're doing. Like, you know, we shall see if she's really done, because I'm sorry, it's one thing for someone to be cheated on, mistreated, you know, all of that stuff, but then public humiliation, nah, that one's different. Like, it's one thing to already go through the nonsense, and then for the whole world to now see the nonsense happening to you. But you know, I pray she has the strength to please move the hell on and don't be making no more colorist songs, okay? Because the girl literally destroyed her own career by being with that man. And look what's happening. Even with all the nonsense that he's did this year, he's still prospering. His career is very much so not ending. Like, it's not over. He's not canceled. But look at her career. So far, I am liking this. But what I want to do, because I just feel like this needs to be higher up, because no, I want it to be a little bit higher up. So, ooh, okay, no, I know what I'm gonna do. I know, because I looked into the palette and I just saw a shade that I really want to play with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more of this shade down. The shade right here called Fine as Wine. And I'm just gonna put this up here. Oh, Do y'all see what I'm seeing? Ooh, this is such a pretty color. Ooh. Okay, we're just gonna put a little bit here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. There is my crease cutting brush right here. I'll be back. Okay, so the crease has been cut. Now I need a like small pencil brush, something like this. What I want to do is I'm going to take that same it's the melanin for it's the melanin. I'm going to take that same shade and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that on here in the outer part. All right, and then I'm going to take the tip of this brush and I'm just going to like kind of define here a little bit with that color. Okay, and then I just want to go ahead and blend this out a little bit. I think I'm content with the way that looks. You know, you guys, I might even do a wing today. Might. Heavy on the might. I'm gonna take the shade called Fierce, which is like this, like, I don't know how to describe this color. This one right here. I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna start here. Don't gonna put this all over. I kind of do. And then but at the same time, I don't. I want to see if I can fit in another color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it pretty much everywhere. Okay. And then I'm going to take another brush and I want to go into the shade called Exotic, which is it like a purple blue? I don't even know. It looks like both. I'm going to take that shade. And let's see how this looks here. Ooh. Ooh. That's not bad. It just needs to be blended out. Let's do the other side real quick. Okay, so this shade, the texture's a little different in the pan. Like, it's this shimmer shade that I first grabbed was like really flaky and like it just easily picked up on a brush and it went on pretty easy. This one right here is a little bit more stiff. Oh, wow. Okay, come on. Can you sit up here too? Okay, and then I'm going to take this brush right here, which is great for packing on mattes. I'm going to go back into that. It's the Melanin shade, that burgundy shade, so I can really like place this on because that other brush was not packing it on the way I wanted it to. And yep, y'all see how much easier that just went on. Okay, I like that a lot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eyeliner by One Size. Y'all, this is the best eyeliner ever, okay? I'm going to take, listen, if you want a nice black eyeliner that will stay black and last you a while, please go buy this. Like, this is amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tight line. And at the same time, I'm going to kind of bring it up a little bit to kind of give more of like a cat eye illusion. So let's see. And then I'm gonna take this pencil brush and just kind of like blend this out here. Oh yes, and when we put on the lashes, it's gonna all come together. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean up all this fallout. I'm gonna put lashes on, and then I'm gonna be back to give you guys my final thoughts on the palette, and I got swatches for you guys, okay? So I'm gonna include swatches of the entire palette, and we will round out the video, so I'll be back shortly. Alright, you guys, I am back, and this is the completed look. So real quick, let me tell you guys what I did here, okay? So I took that that burgundy shade, and I just smudged that all down below here, and yeah, that's all that I did. I don't know why I act like I had more to tell you guys. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and insert these swatches of the palette, okay? So this palette does have, it has 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. So typical, usually Klarity is like when they do a palette of this size or really any of their palettes, they kind of balance it out, so it's usually half and half. Overall, I think the look came out really, really pretty. I really like the way this looks, and I'm really kind of bummed that I have nowhere to go. Actually, when I finish filming this, I have to finish an assignment for class, so no one's gonna see this but you guys when it finally goes up on my channel. Anyway, so this palette retails for $37. Was it 37? I think it was 37 though. How much I paid for this palette? I don't remember. Let's go to the World Wide Web and find out. Yes. This palette costs $37, and I just noticed that it says on the website it's limited edition, so this is not a palette that's going to be around for long, I guess. But yes, this is their Melanin Chronicles palette, so you get 8 shades in here, $37, which is typical for most of their palettes that are this size with the 8 shades in there. As per usual, you guys know I love Klarity. Now, let me say this because in my Magic Lamp palette, I talked about how there was a lot of fallout, and truly that palette did have a lot of fallout, and I kind of want to take something back. So typically pressed pigments do have a lot of fallout, and Klarity, their palettes do have it, but I want to say that Magic Lamp palette had way more fallout than normal. Like when I was using this burgundy shade in the palette, this one right here, and even all the mattes that I used, I didn't have any issues with like it being an excessive amount. I didn't realize just how much until now that I did this video after doing that one, how much that Magic Lamp palette had a lot of fallout. So for anybody who watched that video and you kind of got swayed away, let me just say I think that issue is to that palette and to that palette alone, because that was excessive in that one. This one is not as bad. So yeah, that's that with that. Overall, do I like the palette? Yeah, of course. I think it's a really pretty palette. This is something for sure I will see myself grabbing again, really off the strength of the mattes alone. Typically when a palette has these 2 shades in here, like these 2 right here, me and that palette are gonna be friends, okay? We're gonna be best buds. Like, I love colors like that. But yeah, that's all I really have to say about this palette. I really like the way this look came out. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Comment down below if you did pick this palette up. Let me know if you're gonna recreate this look. You know, remember back in the day, like when, you know, people will post tutorials and you would like try to recreate them? I feel like we don't do that anymore. I feel like we just watch it just to watch it, and that's it. So if you plan on recreating this look, let me know. And if you do and you post it on Instagram, tag me. Like, I want to see. Like, I feel like I do these looks and people just watch it just to watch it, and I want to see people try to recreate it. Focus. Okay. Thank you. No pimple. No pimple. Let me get off you guys' screen. Okay, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.